everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another recipe. It's a dessert, and guess what? It's my favorite. Yes, it's a Lotus Biscuits dessert. So let's make it now. The things we need to make the dessert are some Lotus Biscuits, 3 tablespoons icing sugar, 4 to 5 tablespoons of lotus bread, 500 ml of fresh double cream. Make sure it's double cream. Then take a bowl and add cream first. Then add icing sugar. Now I'm going to whisk it, and I'll do it until the cream is thick enough. This is the final look. This is how it should look like. Now taking a rectangular roaster, I'm going to make a layer with the biscuits first, like this. The next layer is of cream. Half I'm going to add now and half I'll leave for the second layer. Time to add some spread now. So with the help of a spoon, just add some spread like this. Now make the second layer with the biscuits. And add rest of the cream on top of it. Time to decorate your dish, so adding some details. Now with the help of a stick, try to draw a kind of a flower. Keep moving it like in a circular motion like this, and add more spread if you need. Keep adding and making flower. Try to be an artist. This is how you're gonna be. Keep going round and round, and that's it. Adding some more spread for more detailed flowers. And that's it. Now I'm going to sprinkle some crushed Biscoff Lotus biscuits just in the corners like this. Just in the corners, not in the middle or anywhere else. There you go. This is how it should look like, but I'm just going to add a biscuit for more beautiful look. So there it is, a yummy lotus dessert is ready. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you enjoyed the recipe, please do try it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.